Hello and welcome back to How Logical. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you reset your Bereal password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Bereal password and click to the profiles. And after going to profile, you have to go to settings by clicking to the three dots into the top right corner. After going to settings, as you can see here, you get no options to reset your password. It means Bereal doesn't give the option to reset the password. But if you really have to change your Bereal password, you can go to the help button here. And after clicking to help, simply click to the contact us button. Now after clicking to contact us, then click to report a problem, and then you just have to select the guide option here. And after clicking to the guide, you can see the setting button here. You have to click to the setting button, and then you have to select contact us button, and shortly after that open the topics option and select something else that in last. You have to enter your problem in the description box here. After entering the description box, just simply attach screenshot files, attach file option, and click to the send. Simply after sending this problem, Bereal help desk team will review your problem and send back the possible solution for the problem. I hope this video helped you. If yes, make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel for more future contents like this.